Pillugit qoyanaq manisinnaagama arnaaqam ateqarpunga misigisimauung tikilluarsuataarlinga naalikkarsuisupput akaatip oqaligiataa nuannernermik aama Maria tikilluaqqusinaqa nuannerluni taavali inuppissuit ilisarisimasakka amerlasuumaani illusi pikkorissorpassuit taamaamat tikilluaqaanga nuannermaaniilluni Inuit alaskami kanatami nunitsinnilusinnerlu ullumikmaani paqataavunga ICC sinnerlugu nunani Issittumi Inuit peqqissusiannik oqartussaaqataanerput anguniarlugu ICC ataani peqqissutsimuk attuffaqarpugut tissani aquttisuuvunga siullermik videomik takutitsilaasuunga ICC sunaanera imma tamassiilisimangilarsi qangarnisaalaarporksia taannuannarisoruissuugakku takitilaasavara taana saqqummiuttaraerikku taava uagit kattuffitsinni anguniakkagut suliniutigullu aama saqqummiitissavakka tassani am kertik ilaavoq paqataavoq amullumikmaani ja ni starter simpelthen.
On June 15, 2017, the Inuit Circumpolar Council, or ICC, will be 40 years young.
ICC is the international voice of all the Inuit in this world.
There are an estimated 160,000 Inuit living in the circumpolar regions of 4 countries: Greenland, Canada, Alaska in the USA, and Chukotka in Russia, with land that spans more than 5 million square kilometers. ICC was the dream of the late Eben Hobson Sr., mayor of the North Slope Borough, Alaska.
He had a vision to unite all Inuit in the Arctic nations and speak as one people.
His vision came to life with the first ICC General Assembly held in Barrow, Alaska in 1977.
The Inuit Circumpolar Conference, as it was first named, was born. In 1980, the ICC General Assembly was held in New Greenland, where the ICC Charter and bylaws were adopted.
After Glasnost, Inuit from the former Soviet Union officially became full members of ICC, and Inuit were now truly united under 4 flags. Their delegation arrived to a thunderous and emotional ovation at the 1992 ICC General Assembly in Inuvik.
At each assembly, 66 delegates from across the circumpolar region developed policies and strategies that guide the activities of the organization for the coming 4-year term. A new chair and executive council is also elected.
Language protection, traditional Inuit culture, climate change, hunting rights, wildlife and marine management, economic development, indigenous rights, shipping, contaminants. These are just a sample of the issues tackled by the ICC assemblies, including elders and youth over the decades.
In 1983, ICC was granted consultative status at the United Nations under the Economic and Social Council, known as Imigassaq. Over the years, ICC has used its UN status to speak on behalf of Inuit on a wide variety of issues.
In 2000, the United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues was created, and the Arctic was recognized as a region providing Inuit and Sami with a seat on the forum. The Permanent Forum is a key UN body dealing with indigenous rights.
In 1992, Inuit were again visionary in developing and adopting the principles and elements for a comprehensive Arctic policy, which was groundbreaking at the time.
A few years later, in 1996, ICC was an integral part in the creation of the Arctic Council, a central vehicle through which ICC advances the priorities of Inuit in the circumpolar context. The Council consists of 8 Arctic states and 6 permanent participants, including ICC. In recent years, ICC adopted 2 substantive declarations relating to the vital relationship between Inuit and the land.
A Circumpolar Inuit Declaration on Sovereignty in the Arctic was adopted on April 28, 2009.
The Circumpolar Inuit Declaration on Resource Development Principles in Inuit Nunat was adopted on May 11, 2011.
Many Inuit from all 4 countries have contributed to the success and achievements of ICC over the past 40 years.
The ICC chairs have included Hans Pavia Rosing, Mary Simon, Eileen McLean, Kera Pangawi, Rosemary Kuptana, Akkaluglinga, Sheila Watt-Cloutier, Patricia Cochran, Jimmy Stotts, and Ukaleriitsia.
ICC General Assemblies have always gone beyond the political, social, and economic issues discussed at length during the day to celebrate Inuit culture in the form of music, dance, poetry, food, and fashion in the evenings.
At ICC, we hope you celebrate our 40 years of Inuit unity and advancing the Inuit cause at the global level.
Masak ICC pillugu paasisaqareerissi taava Inuit peqqissusiannik kattuffeqarpugut taanalu pillugu saqqimmiisilaasuunga. Vi går videre til næste slide. Yes. ICC Inuit peqqissusiat pillugu kattuffiani ilaasortat toqqarneqarnikut atiguttakusinnaavasiuani. Kertuullumik amma eqqaareernert ikaniippoq. Ataatimiitarpugut qaamattamaaviisa. Nunagisitsinni tamatta oqaasaqartarluta innuttaasut peqqissutsimut unammillarnartitaa eqqartorlugit aaqiisutissanik suunnersuusiorluta paasisagut atortarparput tassini ataatimiikaangatta. Nalinaaqitaqnikerartukuluupu uanorgimiipunga kertununitsinniipo alaskamtiitiimi nikingavuguttaa ua unnukkorseertarpunga ataatimiqatigigaangakkit. Pisortaqarfinnut siunnersuisarpugut aama ICC presidentia Sara Olsvig peqqissuserpupillugu paasisutissanik pisaraaqartitsigaangat siunnersortarparput. Oqariartuutigineqartartut ilamerni maana saqqummiitilaasavakka. Next slide. Inuit oqariartuutigisartagaat peqqissuserput pillugu imaapoq sunnatamam ataqatigiipoq. Sunnatamaaviat ataqatigiipoq. Nakhuaqaterput alaskamiu iupik atuakkiortoq isummertartoq haarulna huliarna oqariartuutiginikuusaa ilanguppara tulluartikkakku uan takisinnaamарси taanalu kalaallisut nutsersmavara imaapoq inoqarfik peqqissoq innuttaasoqarpoq toqqissisimassunik asanninneq paasinninneq inussiarnisaarneq piorsaarsimassuseq oqaluttuarisaaneq anguniakkat aama ilumuorneq taakutamaasa ataqatigiipput. Yes. Inuusuttut alaskamikkanatami nunatsinnilu aama siornatugut Ruslan ilaavortukortika maanasorsunnerpeqqutaalluni ilaasinnaangillat. Kisiattaamanik ugan ilaaput inuusuttortalkatersorpagut taavalu oqalaqatigalugit аллиарторфи пеққиннартоқ сунааnersorpillugu oqariartuutaat saqqimmiitilaasavakka. Yes, vi tager til næste slide. Oqariartuutaat ukuuput peqqissuserput piorsaarsimassutsitsinniipoq ataqatigiilersitsinormillu pilersittisarluni ukua allassimasut amkalaallisunutsersimavakka oqariartuutaanniiput uku ilaquttanik tapersersorneqarneq inuqatigut ilitsersuullugit oqaatigut inissaqartinneqarnerat kinaasusarput eriagalugu tunniutiinanginneq aama annikitsumik aallartissinaaneq siuariartuarneq malugalugu aama annikitsuaraagaluarpata meeqartagut tamaavimmik periarfissaqarput piorsaarsimassutitsinnut atanissaminut ilaqutariit imeriuttuungittut aama kissaatigivaat. Next slide. Eqqaalaarpara Inuit peqqissusiannik kattuffimmi ilisimasatsinnik suliffeqarfinnut naalakkersuiseqarfinnut kattuffeqarfinnul siunnersuisarluta. Aama kanatami nunatamakkerlugu Inuit imminuteruttarnermik pinaversaartitsinermi anguniagaanut atassutеqarpugut taan takisinnaavarssi uani. Anguniakkat ilaanni annertuumik inissisimavoq ilaqutariit nukkassarneqarnissaat. Aama taana imarivaa imigassamik atornerluiffiu sumiinginneq. Uagullu kattuffimmiitugut Inuit Health Steering Committee ICC-mi anguniakkatsinni ilaaput ukiunisisamani suliniutigisassarput meeqat kinguasiutitigut atornerlunneqassangittut aamalu imigassamik atornerluiffiusumiisangittut nunatsinniinaangittoq alaskami taan suliniutiginaqarpoq kanatami aama uagitsinni. Nunatsinni kumuunini tamani pikkorissaasarninni imminutoqortarnerm pinaversaartittinermi sakkussanik. Aama inupassuit imminutoqoriarsimasut oqalaqatigisarpakka immini kiffai frivillimik. Aama ilaqutariit aama qimagaasimasut. Ukiorpassuanngortuni sulianni takkusarpara aama maligisarpara piumassisaqartugut. Tuberkuloos akiorsinnaanikuuarput. Aama Imigassaq akiorsinnaalissavarput. Taamannak oqaartuutqarusulluga. Quyaniarpunga.